Hi, we're really excited to show you Hornbill's knowledge solution. But before we start looking at how to use it, let's take a look at how knowledge is structured. So knowledge consists of knowledge bases. Each knowledge base has a single owner, a knowledge manager. Within each knowledge base are articles that are grouped by topic. Topics are organised in a folder-like structure. An article can be one of a number of article types, depending on its content. And articles can also be assigned tags. Tags are not for organising articles, like topics are, but tags are useful for users to find the articles they need. Access to knowledge is based on entitlement. This means that if a customer, or even you, are allowed to have access to knowledge articles, then they can be discovered via global search, via search on the portals, and also through a new knowledge widget that's available to add to the portal pages. In addition, knowledge articles can be accessed here in the Services widget against their associated service. So for the rest of this video, we're going to see how you're able to contribute to knowledge in your organisation. In particular, we're going to look at how to create articles, how to submit them for review and approval, and finally how you can use knowledge to support customers and how to share knowledge with them at the point of need. So first of all, to create a new knowledge article, you need to do it from the knowledge base that you want to add it to here. An article can only live on one knowledge base, so make sure you select the right one before you start contributing. So here is the article editor, which you can write directly into or paste content into from somewhere else. You can add things like tables, upload images, and even embed videos. And there's all the standard text formatting tools available here. Now, it's important to save your work as you go, even if it's not ready to send for approval before it's publishing. You can save your draft and then continue to save it as many times as you need to as you work on it. You can also change the topic or the knowledge base if you got it wrong. And finally, when you're ready, you can send it for approval before it gets published. Now, there may be times when you're assigned a task in Hornbill to review an article or even update your article with feedback from someone else's review. You can follow the link in the activity notification to go back to an article and add your updates. When your article is published, it's visible to customers and any others who support the service that the article is associated with. And they don't even need to be knowledge contributors like you to be able to see it. This means that it will be available to you and others in support teams when you raise requests. Here we can see how by beginning to type in the request summary of a request we're logging for somebody else, any related articles start to appear here. Now this can really help your work in two ways. The first, by serving up information that could help you resolve someone's issue. And the second, by serving up information that you can share with the customer so that they can resolve their issue. Having knowledge articles at your fingertips here is all about reducing ticket times and the effort that you have to put in to resolve them. So this is a key thing to bear in mind when you create knowledge articles. Think about how your articles are going to be used. So imagine if someone else was going to use one of your articles to help a customer, or even if a customer is going to use one, how simple is it to read and understand? And how clear and direct are any instructions that you include that you expect them to follow? So that's knowledge. So as we've just seen, you can create and submit articles through knowledge bases, and you can leverage knowledge as you support customers with access to relevant articles directly when you raise a request.